Hi friends, welcome back. Today I am sharing a homemade lotion recipe to treat fungal infection, ringworms and itchy skin. If you are suffering from any one problem out of these, you care for your infection at home by practicing some of the behaviors include avoid things that irritate the infected area like irritating clothes, shoes, and other related things in your surroundings. Cover it with a bandage if you are unable to avoid things that irritate. Wash the bedding and clothes daily during an infection to help disinfect your surroundings. Clean and dry your skin regularly. To treat these problems at home, use this simple but effective lotion. But friends, remember one thing, these type of infection take some time to go away. So please keep some patience to get results. Take coconut oil half cup, yellow sulfur powder 50 gram, litharge powder 50 gram. You can get these ingredients from an Indian store. Mix all the ingredients well and store in a clean and dry jar. Apply this lotion daily on the affected area. Leave for 1 or 2 hours. Then wash with fresh water using neem soap or any other chemical-free soap. Keep using until you're getting complete cure. You can speed up your recovery by improved hygiene. Thanks for watching.